Hey, welcome to Python programming course from zero to professional developer. This course is designed to take you from complete beginner to a confident industry-ready Python developer. Python is not just a programming language, it is the backbone of artificial intelligence, data science, web development, automation, cybersecurity, and software engineering. In today's job market, Python is one of the most in-demand and highest paying skills. This course gives you the exact roadmap used by the professionals to enter these industries. Let's begin by understanding what is programming. Programming means giving instructions to a computer to perform tasks. A computer cannot think, it only follows commands written in the programming language. Just like humans understand English, computers understand programming languages. Python is one of those languages. Let's understand how programming works. A human writes instructions in the form of Python code. The Python interpreter reads and translates this code into a form the computer understands. The computer executes these instructions step by step and produces the output, that is the result. For example, you write print hello, the computer understands, display the text hello on the screen. That is programming. Now the main question, why Python? Python is easy to learn, it's powerful, used by companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, NASA, etc. It's the number one language for AI and data science and widely used for backend development and automation. Python looks like English. That is why beginners learn it fast and professionals use it for big systems. This course is designed for absolute beginners with no coding experience, students of school, college, diploma, engineering, working professionals who want to switch to IT, data science and AI aspirants, freelancers and entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to build a tech career. To continue in this course, you do not need any math background, computer science degree, or any prior coding experience. Here, everything starts from zero. Let's see how this course is different from others. Most Python courses teach only syntax, they skip logic, ignore real world usage, and do not prepare you for jobs. This course is different because it is structured like a software engineering roadmap. Here you will learn Python the same way professionals do, not just students. It focuses on logic, not just code. You will learn how to think like a programmer. It includes real projects. You will build applications that you can show in interviews. It prepares you for careers. You will learn coding, problem solving, professional practices, and interview readiness. By the end of this course, you will be able to write Python programs from scratch, build logic using loops, conditions, and functions, use Python data structures, create real applications, work with files and databases, use Python for automation and data analysis, understand object-oriented programming, write clean professional code, and prepare for Python developer interviews. After completing this course, you will be able to build calculators, games, file management systems, data analysis programs, web scrapers, and mini AI applications. These all are real industry style projects. In the next video, we will see installing Python and setting up VS Code.